Hello everyone. Meron tayong isang unboxing video na nabili natin sa Costco. I'm sure marami nang gumawa nito sa YouTube, but this is different kasi Costco bundle siya at saka $299 lang siya. $299. I had to wait about 3 weeks. I think I ordered it June 20 and then kadarating niya lang ngayon, which is July 11 or 11 July 16. I just got it in the mail, so we'll see kung anong laman nito. So it's the first time nating bubuksan. And there you go. Lumang model na siya kasi lalabas na yata yung, from what I heard, lalabas na yung Mini 5 Pro. But let's see kung anong laman nito. So I guess meron siyang remote control, RCN1 and that, and kasama na yung I don't know if you can see it, kasama na yung SD card 64GB tsaka yung ND filters. Anyway, let's start. Tignan natin kung anong nandito. There you go. We have the drone. So wala siyang kasamang bag. Akala ko may kasama siya. Talagang bare minimum lang ang laman niya. So this is the controller. There's nothing here anymore. Yep, that's it. Put that back. And RCN1. Ito yung for that. And I believe nandito yung USB-C tsaka lightning. I think this is for the lightning para sa iPhone. You plug it in. But we're just gonna do that. Hindi siya naka-charge. Anyway, ito should come with extras, so and easier that way. Kailangan basahin. This is ito. Oh, I think this is the ND filters. Yep, there you go. Alright, mga manuals. Put it right there. And then SD card 64. I don't know kung nakikita niya. Ayaw mag-focus. Anyway, but it's 64 gigabytes. B10. Let's put it there. And then extra propellers. Let's put that there. And screwdriver for the propellers. Ito yung extra, this is for USB-C, pang charge para dito sa phone or sa Mini 3. This is USB again. Ito yung USB-C para dito naman kung meron kang Android phone, meron siyang so there's no way na mapapalit mo kasi meron siyang nakalagay dito for controller, and then there should be for your phone. Okay, so that, and then pang charge, let's open this up. So gagamitin ko to pag nagpapatayo na, pang vlog, pag nagpapatayo na ako ng house construction ko sa Tagaytay. Itong gagamitin ko baka by next year. So ito na yung Mini 3. So this one goes here, goes there, and so Mini 3 yung binili ko kasi ito yung pinakamura nila. I don't really need yung hindi ko na magpapaliparin ng malayo. Kailangan ko lang yung 4K, tsaka hindi ko siya kailangan i-register. Under 249 grams siya. Kasi pag naging 250 ka na and up, you have to register here sa FAA. So, yung cover ng gimbal. And then, maraming dito na you have to remove that kasi protection siya ng But what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge it first kasi I don't think tulad nito hindi siya naka-charge. Kaya i-charge muna natin siya. Just like that. So i-charge ko muna to and then magbi-video na lang ulit ako ng unang lipad niya, but marami na rin nag-post nun sa YouTube, so probably baka hindi na siguro. Gusto ko lang pakita sa kanya yung pag-unbox nung galing ng Costco bundle na for $2.99. So meron siyang tulad nga sabi ko, remote control, extra propellers, ND filters, SD card na 64 gigabyte, and the Mini 3. So ang ginawa ko, mas kasi ito bumili ko ng RC, DJI RC controller na para hindi siya hassle, pwede ko na siyang iwanan, isa lang ang dadalhin ko kasi ito kailangan mo pa ng cellphone. So yung cellphone mo free siya to do whatever you, pag may malay mo na gamit mo biglang may tumawag. So I bought this separately, extra sa AliExpress. I think I bought it for $150. So And there's a lot of videos of that on how to do it also sa YouTube. But that's it. Yeah, itong gagamitin ko pag papalipad ako ng drone habang ginagawa yung bahay para makita yung progress, which is about a year and a half from now. But this was on sale, so I bought it. Okay, till next time.